Welcome back to Cooking with Mrs. Thompson. I'm Karen Thompson, a former food service director, dietitian, retired family consumer science teacher, and cook. Join us as we travel the globe sampling the world's cuisines. Today, I'm making a complete dinner in 4 separate reels, and I want to serve this with polenta. Polenta, in this case, is kind of Italian, although the first time I ever had it, it was in Africa. Fell in love with it. Um, I grew up in the South, but I did not grow up eating grits. So I think you could safely call it Italian grits, although they might not like that. So anyway, to get started, I am going to turn my fire on. I have 6 cups of chicken stock or chicken bouillon in water that I'm going to bring to a boil. Now, this is not traditional, but I want to add a lot of flavor so that it holds up to the roast that we've got cooking. Get all that deliciousness out of there. And I will slowly add, after it comes to a boil, 2 cups of dried polenta. But while I'm waiting for it to boil, I'm going to mince 3 cloves of garlic directly into the water. All right, my water's boiling, so I'm going to whisk in my polenta, stirring. I'm going to reduce the heat to medium-low after it comes up to another boil. Okay, it's boiling, so I'm going to reduce the heat. Good stir. Cover, and we're going to simmer this for about 30 minutes. I'll come in and stir it every, few minutes or so, check on it, make sure it's not burning. I am using a lower ratio of water to polenta. I want it kind of thick, and I'll be adding in some ingredients at the end. The polenta has been happily simmering for about 20 minutes. I am going to finish it. It's pretty thick. I'm going to finish it with 2 tablespoons of butter and about 2/3 of a cup of grated Parmesan cheese. I'm just going to stir this in, cover it, and allow it to cook just a little bit longer. Let that parm and butter melt and incorporate. The cheese and butter has all been incorporated. The polenta is nice and creamy. It's done. So let's give it a taste. Can't believe I didn't grow up eating this. This is really good. You can taste the garlic in there. I think this is going to hold up really nicely with my Italian braised roast. You can taste the cheese in it. The chicken bouillon or chicken stock adds a really nice taste to it. It's not, just your normal grits. It's very sophisticated, very good. I think you'll enjoy it. Please, if you have not followed, please do so. Leave a comment. Let me know where you'd like to go next, what country. Cooking with Mrs. Thompson, Facebook, YouTube, working on the others, working on the .com. Haven't gotten there yet, but you guys have a great day. Thank you.